गाइस तो हम घर आ गए हैं. अब हमारा बचता है
Gift unwrapping.
Show. Look at this picture. It's so cute. The sticker.
Jasmine.
Yeah.
So cute.
What does it say? Go first. Best of luck on your upcoming adventure. Love, Jasmine. Thank you, Jasmine.
So cute. Oh shit.
I wasted so much time on center point.
Point.
For this thing. I shouldn't have. Another for lips. No, it's a roll-on perfume.
Oh.
Nice.
So cute things. So cute.
Such a thoughtful gift, na? Sweet peach. Face mask. One more face mask. Thank you, Jasmine. Thanks a lot.
So cute.
From
Andrea.
Andrea. There's a happy birthday hiking with you. Wishing you a day as amazing you are. Happy birthday. Oh my god, why? Thank you so much, Mariam and Rayan. And yeah, iPad mask. A face mask.
So cute.
Kit Kat. One more.
Passport case?
Yeah.
लेकिन तो साइन नहीं है passport case.
I like this. And one necklace.
So cute.
Right? And this is from Birna.
The other roommate who's
Yay.
sleeping right now. Are you wearing Mirna today?
No.
I mean the lip.
No.
Not yet.
Not yet. अब खोलती हूँ मैं मेरे दो लोगों का gift. Okay, this and this. These are different next month, right? Okay.
Don't get time to.
That's the problem living together. That's why it's so difficult.
And me, I'm just like coming, opening the door.
Yeah,
and
that's
then
why I had to, like when I came from work, I was like, how to take the bag in?
We were supposed to put it down, but then I was like, oh, okay, might as well take it out.
This is from.
Both of us.
Oh, what's this? Like,
It's
I can open it. Like,
yeah, anywhere.
Nice, cool stuff.
And it doesn't
It's
take much
matching.
space on your.
This
Oh,
one
shit, you
is
could have
good.
worn it.
Yeah, this is matching with my dress. Oh, I have so many clips this time.
These does not like will not weigh
Space
you
also, yeah.
or put like 2-3 clips on the head.
Yeah. This is style.
Scrunchy. This is matching, bro.
What the hell? That's a good sign.
Nice. Yay. I'm gonna sleep with this tonight. Yes.
From India
Bye,
also.
sleep.
On the airplane also.
Yeah. Okay, let's open this one.
A bag.
A Sherry Berry forgot to put this thing inside this.
What is this? Sherry?
I didn't get that. When did we get that?
Funny.
Okay.
Just see the front part of that.
Didn't get time to write.
Only front part?
Yeah. Didn't even get time to open and put in the envelope. Just leave it.
Bro, leave it for Rafi, we'll write them.
We'll write and we'll read again.
But just read it, it's so cool.
Okay.
So it says, you are a year older, but the things could be worse. Yeah, it got worse. She kicked.
Shit! She one night in Dubai
Yeah.
got into an accident plus got caught by the cops.
Why?
Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
You have to do
And share the experience, like.
I could not make a video there.
Yeah, obviously. You can't take a recording of police in Dubai.
No, not police. Us.
Yeah.
Because of my storage.
No, just show them your feet and they'll be like convinced.
Seriously. I got one more gift. I'm shivering.
Joy. It's good. That's a thrill. What is that, Sherry?
No.
Ah, okay.
The watch. I'm gonna wear 3-3 watch for my flight.
Sherry looks so good.
Right?
You'll kill us for that because there's no space.
It's okay. We'll make space. Put on your body.
This will remind you of Dubai.
Yeah. The mist.
Huggy! Happy birthday! Aww.
That's cute.
Guys, so today's birthday is wearing abaya.
It's hot.
Okay, we are all ready and going for brunch date. बर्थडे ब्लॉग अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ है क्योंकि आज बर्थडे है, कल प्री बर्थडे था.
And then UAE it's always windy. We forgot to bring our glasses.
Your dress is coming now. Yeah.
Idiot out of everybody.
Why are you even replying?
Yeah, she called me like 5, like more than like 3 times.
And what is she saying?
Okay guys, that's it for my birthday vlog. Thanks for watching. We enjoyed a lot, but couldn't record it the much we actually enjoyed.
Yeah, we enjoyed more than we even.
Yeah, so this is the last vlog with Sherry and Zoe.
Are you sure it's the last?
Yeah, like until next time. Vlog now.
Hi, good time.
I can sleep here.
Hi, nice.
Hi.
Nice.
And
Nice. Bye.
oh.